there again?
Okay, dahil mo, kung kami-cambio dito.
Sa cute siya nga pink.
Putangin pa.
Color rin pa ka ng medyo. Diba, what color you like, Sir? It's lighter on the lighter side, on the dark side. Oh, blue.
Blue.
Blue. Dark blue o sky blue?
Sky blue.
O sige, you put no.
But dili ma-open ako.
Huh?
But dili ma-open ako.
Hindi ka ka-open.
Dili ma-open.
Ayan. You put. This one just say that.
That's enough.
Sige daw. You try to stir it.
Mom,
Sorry. Ala.
just let us start close.
No. You just leave it there. You just mix the, what do you call that one? The butter. Butter man na, no? Di man na dough. Oh, butter.
Mama, you see the spoil thingy?
What?
Do you see the spoil thingy?
Yeah. Mix na siya. Mix. Yeah. Ah. What color is baby?
Sky blue.
Sky
Ma.
blue. Yeah.
Is this enough blue?
Yeah, well, maybe.
Okay. Let's
You
stir.
just mix it well.
Let's stir it on. So it becomes sky blue like this. Wait, this one's over here. Sky blue. Sky blue. It's a
Tiko din eh. Oh my God!
Okay, expire na yung gawan. Ay, stop.
oopsie.
Magbuhat o mga mag-bake o cake.
Ano na ka?
Upor.
Ang kabalo ka upor.
Dami, look at that. Wow, the finished product is so very good. Oh my God. Wow.
Okay, hamo na.
Kakuan yun na niya.
Nag-usap na lagi ka. Nagkao na ka? Wala side bit diha kaon.
Why, Manoy, doing the pointing here. Manoy, tinawa. Tinawa, I'm pouring na. Oh, sa blue.
Tama na.
Tama na. Oops. This one. Ay, mama.
Oh, sige.
Sana puno.
Oh, snacks na.
Ma, this
Oh, you add that one. A little.
it's not, it was not enough. Okay, this is enough.
Mm.
Naye, kanaye, para
What's
mahamantay.
next? Oh,
Si kwa, duhaan na lang. Pagkuwag ka itong sudalan mo. Ito ba? Hindi ba? Ang